5 साल पहले हमने एक कहानी सोची थी, हमारे देश के फोकलोर से जुड़ी, हमारे देश की एक कहानी जो हम अपने ऑडियंसेस को दिखाएं। हम लोगों ने इंटरनेशनल कॉमिक कैरेक्टर्स देखे हैं, इंटरनेशनल साइफाई देखा है, इंटरनेशनल सुपरनेचुरल देखा है, बट हमने अपना फोकलोर बहुत कम देखा था बहुत सालों तक। सो नागिन को 5 साल पहले हमने बनाया कलर्स के साथ और उसे बहुत ज्यादा प्यार मिला। थैंक यू सो मच। आज 5 साल हो रहे हैं नागिन को और 5वां इंस्टॉलमेंट आ रहा है और इसमें आ रहे हैं नई कहानी, नया रहस्य। ईश्वरी आप जानना चाहेंगे वो कौन है, अभी मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करूंगी एक नागिन 5 के धमाकेदार बिगनिंग में जो आ रहे हैं, जो आदि सर्वश्रेष्ठ नागिन है, जो फेवरेट एक्टर है हीना खान, और हमारे जो चील बने हुए हैं एज एन धीरज धूपर एंड मोहित मल्होत्रा हमारे नाग। सो इन सबको मैं वेलकम करती हूँ नागिन 5 के इंस्टॉलमेंट में। इस 5वें साल में ये 5वां इंस्टॉलमेंट आई होप लोगों को पसंद आए। कलर्स, थैंक यू अगेन फॉर गिविंग मी अ चांस टू डू दिस शो। हम अपने देश की कहानी, अपने देश का फोकलोर बहुत कम सुनते हैं।
Thank you, Ekta ma'am, for those inspiring words. The trailer of Nagin 5 looks absolutely thrilling and exciting. We are sure that this season yet again is going to create history, as it always does. और अब वक्त है to introduce our new Nagin. जी हाँ, अब वो हमसे इंटरैक्ट करेंगी और हमें बताएंगी कि उन्हें कैसा लग रहा है इस इम्पोर्टेंट लेगेसी को आगे बढ़ाते हुए। So yes, here's presenting the very gorgeous, the very, very, very lovely, a beautiful girl inspiring millions of hearts, Hina Khan.
जय भोलेनाथ। मैं नागेश्वरी, शेषनाग वंश की सर्वश्रेष्ठ आदि नागिन, जिसे 10,000 वर्ष पहले भोलेनाथ से आशीर्वाद में अपना प्यार हृदय मिला था। हृदय और मैं एक दूसरे से बहुत प्यार करते थे, बहुत चाहते थे एक दूसरे को, लेकिन उस चील ने मेरे उस प्यार को मुझसे छीन लिया। वो चील मेरी खूबसूरती में फंस गया और उसने मेरे प्यार को खत्म कर दिया। लेकिन मैं आधी नागिन हूँ और एक नागिन अपने प्यार को कभी नहीं भूलती है, और ये मेरा वादा है कि मैं कलयुग में पुनर्जन्म लूंगी और अपने प्यार को वापस मिलूंगी, अपने प्यार से वापस मिलूंगी और उस चील को दोबारा खत्म करूंगी। ये एक नागिन नहीं, आदि नागिन का वादा है।
Thank you to our very gorgeous Hina Khan. और अब वक्त है to introduce the dapper dude with some serious acting skills, Dheeraj Thupar.
न चांद की चाहत, न तारों की फरमाइश, बस जो मिला उसे लूटने की ख्वाहिश। मैं हूं आकेश, आकाश का राजा और चीलों का आका, और लूटना मेरी फितरत में है। लेकिन जब से नागेश्वरी को देखा ना, ऐसा लगा जैसे उसने मेरे दिल को लूट लिया हो। बहुत शिद्दत से मैंने उसे प्यार किया, लेकिन वो मेरे प्यार को नहीं समझी। अगर इस युग में वो मेरी ना हो सकी तो क्या हुआ, अगले युग में वो मेरे प्यार की कोशिश और मेरे प्यार की कशिश को समझेगी। अपना दिल हार के या अपना दिल मार के नागेश्वरी मेरी होके रहेगी।
Thank you, Dheeraj. और अब वक्त है to introduce the very, very handsome Mohit Malhotra.
जय भोलेनाथ। मेरा नाम हृदय, मैं शेषनाग वंश का एक आम नाग हूं। मैं नागेश्वरी के प्यार से बना हूं। हम दोनों ने साथ मिलकर जन्म जन्म तक साथ रहने की कसम भी खाई थी, और सतयुग में महाशिवरात्रि को हमारा ये सपना पूरा होने ही वाला था कि शायद किस्मत को मंजूर नहीं था। एक चील का गंदा साया हमारे प्यार के बीच में पड़ गया और हम एक ना हो सके। लेकिन मुझे इस बात की खुशी है कि कलयुग में हम फिर से साथ होंगे। हाँ, मैं पुनर्जन्म लूंगा, मैं नागिन के साथ रहूंगा। और अगर इस बार चील ने हमारे प्यार के बीच में आने की कोशिश की तो वो बहुत बुरी दर्दनाक मौत मरेगा। ये एक प्यार से बिछड़े नाग की प्रतिज्ञा है।
Thank you so much. Well, I think that was absolutely magical. And I'm sure all our media friends agree with us on that. वैसे हम काफी देर से आपका ऑन स्क्रीन मैजिक तो देख ही रहे हैं, बस इस वर्चुअल प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस को थोड़ा और गेयर अप करते हैं, एंटरटेनमेंट लेकर आते हैं। एंड फॉर दैट आई एम गोइंग टू इनवाइट ऑल आवर आर्टिस्ट टू जॉइन अस ऑन स्क्रीन। सो लेट्स वेलकम देम। Hi everybody, you guys look totally fabulous, totally fabulous.
थैंक
तो I'm sure अभी तक की कहानी जितनी हमें ट्रेलर से देख के थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया लगा है, ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत सारे ट्विस्ट हैं। तो हमने सोचा क्यों ना आपके साथ एक टंग ट्विस्टर चैलेंज खेलें। For
Okay.
that I'm going to read out a tongue twister to you और आप लोग करके कोशिश करना कि आप सब मेरे साथ वो बोल सकें। Yeah? Should we begin?
Okay.
Yes, let's go.
Yes.
Let's go for it. So Hina, the first tongue twister is सांप की सिसक को समझता है सपेरा, अपनी समझ से ही तो वो सांप की समझ को बनाता है सुनहरा।
सांप की सिसक को समझता है सपेरा और अपनी समझ से ही तो बनाता है वो सांप को सपेरा।
सांप को सुनहरा।
Not bad at all. Amazing. Dheeraj, do you want to try this? Go for it.
सांप की समझ को समझता है सपेरा, अपनी समझ से ही वो बना।
इतना टाइम नहीं, धीरज जल्दी
सांप की समझ को समझता है सपेरा, अपनी समझ से वो सांप को सपेरे को बनाता है।
गलत।
धीरज ने एक अलग ट्विस्ट दे दिया ऐसे, but I have one more. Why don't you try it? Mohit, why don't you try it? सिसकता सांप को समझता है सपेरा, अपनी समझ से ही तो सांप की समझ को बनाता है वो सुनहरा।
सकता सांप को समझता है सपेरा, सांप सिसकते सांप से समझता है सांप को।
चल हो गया, थैंक यू।
सिसकते सांप से समझता है सपेरा, अपनी समझ से समझता है सांप के सुनहरे सपने।
Well, I think that was super duper fun. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. It was cute and it was long. Okay.
Yeah. भाई ये एंटरटेनमेंट में तो काफी मजा आया। And now it's finally the moment we've been waiting for, the official Q&A by all our media friends. And for that, मैं फिर से एक बार invite करूंगी all our artists to join us back on screen. So here's the first question. I'll be asking you questions जो हमारी media friends की तरफ से हैं। हमारा पहला सवाल है for Hina. Hina, this question is from Hasti, which is from Bombay Times. She wants to know.
From what's the name?
Her name is Hasti.
Hasti. Oh my God. Okay.
Yeah.
Tell us about your experience so far shooting and working with Ekta Kapoor, with colors and a fantasy fiction genre.
Well, to begin with, hi Hasti, and thanks for your question. And let me just begin with Ekta Kapoor. This is, I think, second time I'm working with Balaji, and my experience with them has been fab. Like it's become a family now, and Ekta is like a friend to me, and she's a different person. When you talk to her, when you meet her, she's not the Ekta Kapoor. She's just like one of us. She'll make you feel so comfortable. So it was lovely. It's always lovely to work with Balaji. And as far as Colors is concerned, Colors ke saath mera bahut purana rishta hai. I think after my first show, my first ever non-fiction Khatron Ke Khiladi was on Colors, and I had a lovely experience. And then I did Big Boss, and now I'm back again on Colors with the
one more season of Nagin 5. I'm super excited, super thrilled because Nagin is a franchise जहाँ पर सब लोग इतने प्यारे लगते हैं, इतने खूबसूरत लगते हैं, आप बस देखते रह जाते हैं, चाहे कोई भी नागिन हो, नाग हो, it's larger than life, it's beautiful और ऑडियंस तक जो हम फोकलोर लेकर आए, इंडियन फोकलोर लेकर आए हैं, ऑडियंस को वो देखने में इतना मजा आता है. आई थिंक तभी हम आज नागिन के 5th सीजन में हैं बिकॉज नागिन को इतना ज्यादा पसंद किया गया है. So when I got an opportunity and when I was told about it, they want me to play a Nagin, I did not really think and I just said yes immediately. So for me, it's been all in out. It has been a great, great experience. Although we've just started shooting, but I just loved it.
Thank you, Hina. Thank you for that. Our next question is for Mohit. Mohit, ये सवाल है from Sheetal from the Tribune. And the question is, tell us about your character. Did you as a child also hear tales about the legend of Nagin? And at that time, did you believe in it?
See, back in the day, I did not read about it, but I've always heard about it. And, this is the most loved story everybody hears. और the character I'm playing, वो सर्वश्रेष्ठ नाग है और उसका नाम हृदय है. और he's madly in love with Nageshwari, his Nagin. And she loves him as much as he loves her. तो दोनों की प्यार की कहानी है और कैसे उसके बीच में चील आ जाते हैं और कैसे उसके प्यार में बाधा डाल देते हैं और कैसे उस प्यार को जीता जाता है. So I think the story is all about that. And yeah.
Wow. Hearing your answer, I'm already very eager and I'm sure all our media friends also very eager to see this show.
Well, I'm myself very eager.
Yeah. Yeah.
I so want to see myself on screen.
Hina, you're looking absolutely, totally gorgeous in the Nagin attire. It's totally beautiful.
Thank you. I think we all are. And Dheeraj is looking so different than what he has played on screen up till now. And I really like his look. Mohit is looking so different. Ekdam alag. This is a different space we all have tried for the first time. And I am loving all the characters and especially the looks. We've all put in the team colors. The production house has put in so much effort in making us look the way we are looking in the show. So all thanks to them. And of course, I think we've done a little justice to it.
No, you're looking absolutely stunning. Trust me.
Thank you. Thank you, Dheeraj.
So thank you to all our stunners. Hamara agla sawal is for Dheeraj and it's by Bhavna from Pink Villa. With all eyes on Nagin 5, do you feel the pressure that role you will be seeing will be completely different? Anything else that you've done before? It's a very different role.
No, I don't see it as a pressure. I see it as an opportunity for me as an actor. Whatever I've done earlier on screen, I think this is very different and this is something I've never did earlier, So I'm really excited. So when I got the opportunity to do this, when I got a call for Nagin 5, I was super excited and I just grabbed it. So yes, this is very, very, very different when it comes to the performance, when it comes to the look, when it comes to the setup, and it's a different kind of show altogether, what I'm doing already. So I'm totally excited and I think my fans, my audience will be equally excited to see me in 2 different avatars on the same time,
Totally. I think we all are waiting for it. Hamara agla sawal is for Hina. Hina, this question is by Sankarsan from Ajkal. What made you come back to television after shooting for a web series, and how will Nagin 5 be different than all your previous seasons that that have gone by?
Well, I have taken I did say that I've taken a break from television, which I still stick to, but Nagin is something, and especially before I talk about Nagin, I'd like to talk about Ekta. I got a call from Ekta and she told me about this thing that she wants me to play Nagin in Nagin 5. And, Colors, I always love working with them. They're a wonderful team and I'm very, very close to the Colors people. A great, great channel to work with. So I was, when Ekta called me, she said that the reason I want you to play this character is because this is not a daily soap kind of a thing that which will go on for years, right? This is a season, it'll finish. So I want you to play this character and, just leave everything aside when it comes from her, no? I think mentioned it before as well. She's not somebody who will say, Hina, I've got you this character and I want you to play this. Will you play it? No, she's not like that. She'll say, I've got you this character and I think you'll do great. You have to play it. That's it.
Wow.
Then you're not left with any choice. You know, she's a friend, she's a mentor. I really look up to her. She's an inspiration. I have a huge, huge respect for her, regard for her, for the Colors channel. So I really could not say no. And as I always said, that the 4 seasons in past, we always look up to the characters, look up to their outfits, their, you know, it's larger than life. They look so beautiful. So I thought that it's an opportunity for me to come back to my audiences. And I'll tell you one more thing, because what made me choose Nagin is because for now, considering the pandemic and whatever is happening in these unprecedented times, I know that shootings for digital or for films is not going to start anytime soon. So for me, I thought if I have an opportunity, and this is what Ekta told me too, that this is an opportunity where you are not working because you don't want to do television, and films and digital has not started yet. So why don't you just do the season? And I'm sure that your fans and your audiences are going to love you for coming back. So which is why I chose this. I just grabbed this opportunity.
Well, I think that's an amazing choice. All the best.
Thank you.
हमारा अगला सवाल है for Mohit, and the question is from Punjab Kesari by Sahil. How different is it acting in a fantasy fiction show? I mean, anything that you really learned with the visual effects being really heavy in the show? You know, they're very mesmerizing. And so how was your experience?
एक्सपीरियंस इज फैंटास्टिक, यू नो, बिकॉज एक बहुत ही अलग एनवायरनमेंट होता है, काफी अलग चीजों से आपको काम करना पड़ता है, काफी यू नो यू हैव टू इमेजिन अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, बिकॉज हम काफी सारी चीजें ग्रीन स्क्रीन पे शूट करते हैं. सो यू हैव टू लर्न लिटिल यू नो डिफरेंट स्किल्स टू बी पार्ट ऑफ यू नो दिस कटिंग एज इफेक्ट्स, यू नो स्पेशल इफेक्ट्स शो. तो मजा भी आता है करने में, क्योंकि आप यू नो ऑल योर फैंटेसीज दैट यू हैड एज अ किड, यू नो दे गेट फुलफिल्ड व्हाइल यू शूटिंग एज एन एक्टर. तो मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है. यू नो आई ऑलवेज लव्ड नागिन सीरीज. यू नो लाइक आई हैव सेड, इंडियाज फेवरेट शो. और नागिन में जब मुझे काम करने का मौका मिला, तो आई वाज रियली एक्साइटेड. यू नो लाइक धीरज सेड, आई वाज आल्सो जंपिंग विद माय चेयर दैट यू नो फाइनली आई गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस अमेजिंग शो. तो बहुत मजा आ रहा है शूट करते हुए. थोड़ी बहुत चीजें अलग होती हैं, लेकिन उसका अपने आप में मजा है. एंड यू नो आई थिंक I'm fulfilling all my child's fantasy as a child when I was a kid. So I'm really looking forward to shooting more and having a lot of fun now.
I want
And
to
that-
actually here with Mohit actually. As an actor, when you do these kind of shows, technically you become very strong. You have to imagine the things in the air when actually it's not there. So you have to perform accordingly. I have to imagine various things into the air, to perform into a supernatural show. So technically, as an actor, as an artist, you become strong, which is such a good thing.
True.
Thank you so much. और अगला सवाल धीरज के लिए है from Pink Villa. From where did you derive the inspiration of playing the antagonist? How was the feeling, the experience playing
You
that?
were-
Me. I'm so sorry. I'm taking the credit.
No,
Continue.
that's you actually, that's. But when I heard the character and everything, I watched few movies. I watched Padmavat as well to get few of the things, the nuances of the characteristics and everything. I'm not saying it's the same character all, but the body language, and it's very new for me to perform something like this. And yes, the inspiration comes from the show itself. Nagin is such a big franchise. It's such a big show. It's a fantasy for anyone to play something like this. And I've got this. So I worked hard on this, and I hope the audience will love it.
And let me just add on something to Dheeraj's answer. For an actor, I know any kind of character is an opportunity to play, and especially a franchise like Nagin. But as an actor, अगर मुझसे मेरी personal choice पूछें, तो मैं चील play करना चाहूँगी. No, genuinely, he has so much to play on screen, so many shades. So, मजा आता है एक actor को ऐसे characters करने में, which is why I think I also chose to play an antagonist. And I'm sure धीरज को भी बहुत मजा आया होगा. And वो दिख रहा है, the way he's performed, and you'll see the way he's performed and everything. It's really nice. The get-up, the lighting, everything is so mesmerizing, the way we shoot these supernatural shows. But other than that, आप जब इनकी परफॉर्मेंस देखेंगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि कितनी अलग है, कितनी अच्छी और कितनी डिफरेंट है. For that, definitely you'll have to watch the show, guys.
So much. Thank you so
You know,
much.
hearing you guys, I think we are super duper eager now to watch this show.
You have to. You don't have a choice.
Yes, we have a choice. Otherwise, Nagin and Cheel will come.
Yeah. Otherwise, Nags and Cheels will come.
Totally. Well, thank you for joining us on screen.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
वेलकम बैक वंस अगेन. वो कहते हैं ना कि हर ग्रैंड एंटरटेनमेंट से पहले थोड़ा सा तूफान तो बनता है. सो यस, द मोमेंट इज फाइनली हियर दैट वी हैव बीन वेटिंग फॉर सो लॉन्ग. वक्त है फॉर द ऑफिशियल फोटो ऑप विद आवर ब्यूटीफुल वंडरफुल कास्ट ऑफ नागिन 5. Wow, you guys look absolutely stunning. Can we see the final pose that we've been waiting for? Amazing, amazing. Wonderful. This looks Nagin returns to colors with its grandest magnificent season ever. One of the few Indian television series which has managed to air 5 seasons. Nagin 5 premieres on August 9, 2020 and will air on Saturday and Sunday only on Colors. Thank you all for joining us today. We hope to meet you all soon. उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप सब नागिन 5 को भी उतना ही प्यार देंगे. Well, thank you all. Just a small request. Take care of you and your families. Please don't forget to sanitize your hands frequently and don't forget to wear a mask. This is Shweta Kapoor signing off.